Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Also in this video, I would like to focus only on the shorter time frame price action because looking at the bigger picture, nothing really changed. It's going to happen here, the decision. Yeah. So since yesterday's low, we've been moving higher here. However, in a corrective fashion, I already showed you yesterday this could be an ABC structure that can push a little higher, deeper into resistance. I wanted to see at least the 1816 level, because as I always say, you know, the wave 2 ideally retraces at least to the 50% retracement, and that is what happens at the moment. We see a pullback to that 1816 level. That's also where we currently find resistance. However, I have no indication that a top has been made yet. In yesterday's video, I said ABC, but it morphed into WXY. That doesn't really make any difference to anything here, to any price development. It just means that the subwave structure here of the Y wave is likely an ABC, and this might be unfolding right now. I said to you yesterday, to indicate that a top has been made here, I need to see a break below the X wave low at 1788. That never happened. From that point of view, the short-term focus needs to be on higher, and we've now entered the resistance stage again. Yeah, we touched it already yesterday. Here we've got levels to watch: 1816, 1829 and 1847 for possible reactions. Only if price breaks and sustains above 1847, maybe something more bullish is going on. But as long as price stays below that, the idea would be we get another dip down, drop down in a third wave. You know? What would be the, let's say, what happens if price breaks below 1847? Well, I think it would, first of all, only lead to a reset of the B wave here, but that cannot go much higher. So from that point of view, the other option is that we had wave 1 here and we get a deeper wave 2. Yeah. So it would likely still be corrective price action, but we'll see. You know, we'll take it from there. But certainly next resistance will be 1889. And then we have structural resistance at 1940. Because bear in mind today, really anything can happen with the inflation data, that core PCE data coming out, that can shake up the markets a little bit, depending on what the data says, which of course I don't know at this stage. We can then look at possible extension targets. Now that we've established what are the retracement targets where price can react, we can see if we can find some confluence by adding the extension target. So we can take the wave W, go to the low of the wave X, and a key target here, well, first of all, is the 61.8 extension, but we reached that anyway. That's also not the most common one. A more common one is the 100% extension at 1832. So also watch that level. It's very close to the golden ratio. The 1.618 extension is a bit too high for me. That's at 1860. Because that would likely involve a break of the 78.6 retracement. So I don't really focus on that at this stage. But the 100% extension is certainly interesting at around 1832. And then we have the possibility to calculate a target for the C wave. It's just different ways of measuring, right? And here we're looking at the 1-to-1 ratio also at 1830. So I'd pay attention to the golden ratio. Here, the 1.618 extension has an overlap with the 78.6 retracement at 1848, 1847. So they are all levels to watch. That might have been a bit fast, but you can always rewatch the video and write down the numbers, the figures, so you've got them and can watch them. But, you know, this is only interesting for anybody who's really watching the short-term price action here, wants to trade every single wave. Bear in mind, we are here in a wave 2, we are in a correction. So any upside seems to be corrective at this stage. It's just that above 1847, that wave 2 will get unrealistic because it retraces too much. So it will likely be something different. Bear in mind today, it will be volatile, most likely. Yeah, you never know. But it doesn't harm to protect for more volatility on a day like that. It is likely going to be slow until we get the data. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.